Are you ready to create a magical skincare gift that hydrates, renews, and glows with enchantment? Let's make a skincare renewal facial elixir that pairs perfectly with the Enchanted facial cleansing powder I uploaded Wednesday this week. Hi there, I'm Sapphire Moon, and welcome to Mundane Magickal DIYs, formerly known as Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Here, we blend everyday enchantment with practical creativity. On this channel, you'll find DIYs for household essentials, nourishing hair and body care, pet-friendly remedies, and magical products to enhance your spiritual practice. Today, we're crafting a DIY skin renewal facial elixir that's nourishing, enchanting, and perfect as a holiday gift or a self-care treat. Before we dive in, as an Amazon associate, I earned from qualifying purchases. If you like the exact ingredients or equipment I'm using, check the description below for direct links. Store-bought facial oils can be expensive and filled with unnecessary additives. But this DIY elixir is natural, affordable, and infused with both mundane and magical intentions, making it the perfect gift for radiant skin this holiday season. Don't forget to check out the community tab for tips, updates, and inspiration to make your skincare gifts truly magical. As we are putting the oils together, I will share their mundane and magical benefits. Jojoba oil balances oil production and hydrates the skin. Its magical benefits represents balance and renewal. The amounts I used for each ingredient is below in the description. Rosehip oil helps regenerate skin and reduce scars. Its magical benefits promotes love, beauty, and healing. I always tare the machine to zero, T-A-R-E, before I pour in the next ingredient. The rosehip oil wasn't pouring well. I'm going to fill 8 1-ounce jars. And so we are using 4 ounces of jojoba and 4 ounces of rosehip oil. Vitamin E oil acts as a natural preservative and antioxidant. Its magical benefits preserves the longevity of magical intentions. We only need 1 teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. It's time to mix the vitamin E oil with the other oils thoroughly. Lavender essential oil mundane benefits calm skin and reduces inflammation. Its magical benefits brings peace, relaxation, and purification. Frankincense essential oils mundane benefit encourages skin healing and reduces aging signs. Magical benefits enhances spiritual connection and grounding. So it's time for us to mix everything well together. By the way, this facial oil pairs beautifully with the Enchanted cleansing powder we created in my recent video. If you haven't made it yet, click the card here to check it out. It's time to fill the jars. I did attempt to use the small funnel, but off camera, I ended up just pouring them using the measuring cup. It was much easier and faster. Also, I am using 1-ounce spray bottles. I like spraying my oils. I don't like dripping them. I did use the funnel for the first jar, but the rest of the jars, I just poured them without the funnel. I will be back with a demonstration, and then I will show you how these look when they're finished and decorated the best way that I do how. This is handmade. This is made with love. And then I will show you how I pair them with the facial powder that we made this Wednesday. So I'm going to show you how nice it is. And like I said, I used spray bottles. And it's much neater for me because I'm kind of clumsy. And so using a spray bottle is so much better. I even use them in my rituals too. Like I like to spray the oil on my candles and stuff. But look how nice that is. That's how your face is gonna be. Your Skin Renewal Facial Elixir is complete. Not only is it nourishing and hydrating, but it's also infused with your magical intentions, making it the perfect complement to the cleansing powder for a complete skin care set. If you enjoyed this DIY, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more enchanting creations. Let me know in the comments if you'll be gifting this elixir or if it's going straight to your self-care routine. And don't forget to check the community tab for bonus tips and inspirations. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Stay enchanted with Mundane and Magickal DIYs.